Studyflix, the ultimate guide to unleashing your study abroad journey. So, if you are here, that means you are serious about studying in Germany. And today we will cover one of the most crucial steps, getting your student visa and proving you have the funds to survive. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Dev, a certified study abroad counselor dedicated to guiding students like you through all the entire process. Without a visa, your study abroad dreams stays a dream. But don't worry, I will break it all down for you.
So, understanding the German student visa, first thing first, which visa do you need? Yes, you heard me right. Which visa do you need? And there are different types of visa for student. Choosing the right one is critical. So, Schengen visa. If we talk about the Schengen visa, the short stay, there are in the short stay which is for 90 days and not for long term studies. So this another one is national visa, which is D type visa for long term study and must be converted to a resident permit after you are after you are arriving here. So if you have a plan to study in Germany for more than 3 months, you need the national visa. No expectation, and trust me, the application process takes time, so you need to apply early.
Required documents for the visa application. So now let's talk about documents. Missing just one document, this can lead to visa rejection. So listen it carefully. First document, we talk about university admission letter, the golden ticket. Without this, no visa can be granted. Second, your valid passport. It required with at least 12 months validity. Visa application form that filled very carefully and signed. Passport size photos which will helpful for biometrics as per visa embassy guidelines. Block account proof or scholarship letter or any other equivalent financial proof you required. Health insurance confirmation that compulsory for all the students. Your motivation letter and CV that shows why you want to study in Germany. Transcript that can be notarized and translated if required. Your visa payment proof that usually costs you around 75 euros. So, I suggest you that triple check this document before submitting it. Many students face delays or cancellation just because they misattend details.
So now we talk about financial proofs and blocked account. So one of the biggest visa requirements is proving you have enough money to support yourself in Germany. But how do you do that? So blocked account, that's called spare conto here. So minimum requirement is 11,208 euros per year. You will receive 934 per month. Funds are locked and you can only withdraw a fixed amount monthly, and alternative proofs only accepted in some cases. So if you need scholarship letter, if you have full financial support. So now I'm gonna tell you the most popular blocked account providers, including Expectrio, Fintiba, and Deutsche Bank. So choose one of that suits you better. But make sure it's officially recognized by the German government. And remember, guys, no funds equals to no visa. So set up your blocked account as early as possible.
Here are common mistakes students make and visa interview tips you should know. Want to avoid visa rejection? Then don't make these mistakes. First, submitting incomplete documents. You should always complete your documents according to the given list. Insufficient funds in block account. You have to fulfill all the financial proofs. Filling the visa interview. Yes, there is an interview if required by the embassy. Be confident, be honest, and most importantly, know your study plan. Common questions include why you choose Germany, why not other countries, your future plans, how you will fund your stays, and so and so. And you need to more knowledge about all these things, just you have to follow Jinvani International and this series.
That's it for episode 2, and if this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for the next episode where we will gonna tackle about accommodation and cost of living in Germany and so on, so on, so on. So until then, take care and don't forget to hit the button. Bye.